Welcome back, dear students. Welcome back to our YouTube channel under the name Visual Study. And as noted to all of you in my previous video, that in the coming session we are going to talk about what exactly is the pattern of the answer book, that is the answer sheet. It's what we are going to discuss today. And on this very day, I let you all know honestly, sincerely, clearly and wisely, the countdown for the examinations has begun. The countdown for your examinations has begun. You can check out our Instagram page under the name of Visual Study as well as P.Vision Academia. The link for that would be shared in the description box below. So let's begin, everybody. On the screen, you'll be seeing now the 10th SSC and 12th HSC answer sheet model. So here's I'm sharing the screen for each and every one of you. So please stay tuned, everybody. You can see the screen over here, simple my dear students. It's the screen for 10th SSC board papers and 12th standard HSC board papers. And I'm sure you might are not aware about it, what exactly the screen talks about, what exactly are the things being mentioned on the screen. If you must have seen my previous video clearly, I noted in the video very well that answer sheets are provided exactly 20 minutes in hand. How many minutes, my dear students? They are provided exactly 20 minutes in hand beforehand your actual paper. मान लो अगर आपका पेपर है 11 बजे तो आपको आंसर शीट हाथ में मिलने वाली है 10:40. 20 minutes back you're going to get the answer sheet in hand, my dear students. 20 minutes back. What exactly is going to happen in these 20 minutes? Pay attention, everybody. So remember, 20 minutes in hand. 20 मिनट बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम है, बहुत ज़्यादा. इसमें करना क्या है? The moment you get the answer sheet in hand, you are going to go through each and every page of the answer sheet. Answer sheet मिलेगी आपको हाथ में. You're going to go through each and every page. Why? To check the quality of the papers. You will say, sir, उसमें क्या यार 10 का पेपर दे रहे हैं सर, 12 का पेपर दे रहे हैं, आंसर शीट तो हाथ में अच्छी आने वाली है. No, it's not the thing. I'm not doubting SSC and HSC boards. What I'm doubting is if at times, due to any error, due to any printing error, if any of the page from the answer sheet is not in a good condition, it's a bit scribbled, it's a bit worn out, it's not in a good quality, then probably at the end of the paper, if you realize it, it will be difficult for you to switch and exchange the paper. So please check each and every paper, each and every page, whether the quality of the page is correct or no. Number one. Point number one is obviously the quality of the pages. Very true. Point number one is quality of the pages. Number one. Number second welcomes me. Number second welcomes me to an important part. It welcomes me to the main paper, that is the front page of the paper. Now remember, everybody, this is what we are talking for SSC board and HSC board. We are not talking about for CBSE boards right now. We are talking about for HSC and SSC boards. Make me clear from my side very well, everybody. सबसे पहले it's about, here it is given school name. Now remember, everybody, school name in the actual board paper, this option is never there. Please remember, everybody, in the actual board paper, this option is never there, okay? Because board papers are considered to be uniform for each and every student. End of the day, your category of the marks, your category of the numbers will be based on your seat number only. Clear? So, no school name. First thing is your holocraft sticker. You can straight away see over here, it's called as holocraft sticker. What does this holocraft sticker mean, my dear students? It is nothing but a very important sticker which is to be pasted by the person who is supervising your examination hall. Number one, it is specifically being written, is specifically being sticked by the person who is going to fill in, who's going to be a supervisor into your examination hall. Before he coming in, what is your job? Remember, everybody, आपका काम क्या है? आपका काम यही है that you have to fill in all the details before he comes in. You have to fill in the details like your seat number in figures. आपका जो सीट नंबर दिया रहेगा, वेर इज द सीट नंबर? सीट नंबर इज गिवन ऑन योर हॉल टिकट्स. व्हाट आर द हॉल टिकट्स which the schools give, which your respective schools will be giving you in your hand prior to your board examinations. So your seat number should be first. It should be written in the box over there. Number second, seat number in words. Words में लिखना आना चाहिए. What's the seat number in words? Next thing, please make sure do not commit any spelling mistake. Remember everybody, do not commit, just a minute, do not commit any spelling mistakes because we take generally small things, easy things जो रहते हैं ना, simple बातें, वो हम easily casually लेते हैं. So your seat number would be in lakhs. Write it properly, XYZ, lakh, thousand, XYZ. So please make sure you are quite used to with it. Number third, there comes your signature. Signature should be bang on written. प्रॉपर सिग्नेचर जो आपके ऑफिशियल सिग्नेचर है वही लिखो. डोंट ट्राई टू कॉपी, इमिटेट एंड डू सम एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन ओवर देयर. नंबर फोर्थ, योर सेंटर नंबर. वेयर इज योर सेंटर नंबर? सेंटर नंबर इज बीइंग गिवन ऑन योर एग्जामिनेशन हॉल टिकट. जो आपको आपके हाथ में हॉल टिकट मिलेगा उस पे आपका एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर नंबर रहता है. दैट इज द कोड विच इज गिवन फॉर ईच एंड एवरी सेंटर वेर एवर एसएससी एंड एचएससी बोर्ड्स आर कंडक्टिंग दिस सेड एग्जामिनेशन. Number 5 is the sign of an invigilator. That means the sign of the supervisor. What does it mean? The sign of an invigilator. A person who's supervising, he will be coming in and signing in, right? So these details are clear. These details are talking about third point जिसके heading के अंदर मैंने लिया है, what is called as your holocraft sticker. Okay. Now, holocraft sticker में number 1 you'll be filling your seat number in words, figures and seat number in words, your signature, a supervisor signature and your exam center code. Simple as that. Very good. Next formality is the formality of your question paper set code. Number 4th formality is this formality. What is this, dear students? Set question paper set code. The moment at 11, ideally when you will be getting the question paper in hand, every question paper has its own code. That code has to be written over here. उसके बाद subject, उसके बाद subject and then is the paper. Many students get confused between these two objects कि सर एक यहाँ पे दिया है subject, एक इस पे दिया है paper. What does this exactly mean? Remember my dear students, subject is for example social studies, okay, but your paper is history. Your subject is social studies but your paper is geography. Your subject is science and technology but your paper is S1. Your subject is science and technology but your paper is S2. This is what is called as your subject and your paper. Every subject has got divisive types into it, divisions into it. तो वो division जो है वो यहाँ पे paper के इसमें लिखना है. The next thing is the date on which we are writing the paper and then is the language of answer. Always remember everybody. For for English, paper language is English. Math, science, paper language is English. If you are from English medium, अगर आप semi English medium में से हो तो that will be applicable again in English only. If you are from Marathi medium, obviously it would be Marathi as your language. But if you are opting for papers like Sanskrit, which is an optional paper, your language of answer would be English or Marathi as per the translations which are being made. If your paper writing is German, if your optional paper is German, your language of answer would be English and German. Is this very clear with everybody? And then is the last part from this is the number of supplements. Remember everybody, this is the last thing to be done. तो ये हम लोग obviously last में लेंगे. Fourth point is subject plus paper details. Subject plus paper details. Clear? That's it. Number fifth, बहुत ही important. You can see over here something called as barcode sticker. Just a minute, dear students. You can see something over here called as a barcode sticker. Candidate should paste the barcode sticker. What is the barcode sticker? Very important, my dear students. हमेशा ध्यान में रखो, barcode sticker is where your entire concentration should be whether it has been done properly or no. How it is? Pay attention, all of you. Now, you can see over here there is one line which comes and there is an arrow over here. There is another line which comes from this side and there is an arrow over here as well. Why is this arrow? Pay attention. This arrow continues in the dotted form under this. Half part, that is this part of the barcode of your barcode sticker will contain your details of your name, your school name, your paper, and your seat number. Officially, this sticker is available from the SSC and the HSC boards. Remember everybody. This part, जो half part मैंने यहाँ पे diagonal lines mention की है, it will contain your seat number, your name, your paper number, your paper name of the paper which you are writing, and your code for it. This is your identity. The moment the supervisor will be pasting the barcode sticker on this part, it is your job to check whether your name has been correctly printed or no. Each and every alphabet has to be checked. At the same time, your seat number, whether the seat number has been properly given or no, it has to be checked compulsorily. Once the details are being given, he will be pasting this. Remember everybody, barcode sticker is in white color. कौन से color में है? It's in white color, and the printed part on that is in the black color. He pastes it over here. So your fifth point is going to be the barcode sticker point. कौन सा point है? It's going to be the barcode sticker. Clear everybody? Now then comes your final part, which the supervisor himself will be taking into consideration. You have been always told by your respective classes, your respective moderators, or your respective mentors that in the SSC and HSC boards you never reveal your identity. आप लोग आपकी हमेशा जान पहचान जो भी है, you never reveal it. Your identity gets revealed directly into the board, directly into the paper checker's hand, directly into the supervisor, directly into the moderator's hand when he will be checking your paper. But then sir, यहाँ पे barcode sticker पे तो आपने कहा हमारा नाम रहने वाला है. Exactly, your name will be there, no doubt in that. But remember, once this is being done, I mentioned at the initial part itself that here there is something important. ये जो आपको holograph sticker दिखता है ना, ये जो आपको holograph sticker दिखता है, this holograph sticker is completely in black color. कौन से कलर में है? ये पूरा का पूरा black color में है. So it's a simple fact. The moment on the barcode sticker is being pasted, it's pasted horizontally on the barcode sticker. These details are completely concealed, completely hidden. मतलब आपके जो, pay attention everybody, very important point I'm discussing with all of you. आपके जो ये details है ना, these details of under the barcode sticker, all these details are hidden. ये पूरे आपके details जो है are completely hidden with this holograph sticker. सिंपल पार्ट आपको ध्यान में रखना है, आपका बारकोड स्टिकर विल बी हॉरिजॉन्टल, इट विल बी पेस्टेड लाइक दिस, बट योर दिस पार्ट विल बी रिवीलिंग योर आइडेंटिटी ऑफ योर नेम, योर सब्जेक्ट नेम, योर कोड एंड एवरीथिंग. ऑन दिस इज द होलोग्राफ स्टिकर, सो दैट ऑब्वियसली कवर्स योर आइडेंटिटी. और एक होलोग्राफ स्टिकर जो है ये एग्जैक्टली दिस एरो तक आता है, ये पूरे के पूरे एरो तक कवर करेगा, सो दैट योर आइडेंटिटीज गेट कंप्लीटली हिडन. ये आपको फॉर्मेलिटीज ड्यूरिंग द पेपर करने हैं, एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग प्रिपेयर प्रॉपरली. First 20 minutes, ideally all these preparations are to be done. But eventually there are so many students sitting in an examination hall कि सबको possible नहीं है that a supervisor would reach each and every student within those 20 minutes. So ideally at 11 when you start writing your paper is the time when supervisor starts coming at your desks and he fills in all and he completes these formalities. Mean the time you have to fill in your holograph sticker completely, details completely, your barcode details completely, and he will be doing the job of pasting and completing. Again I am repeating the last line. Barcode sticker is horizontal, यहाँ पे आपका barcode sticker रहेगा. This side will be your details, half side this will be your details, and those details need to be hidden. That is why this holograph sticker which will be covering your details, and this holograph sticker is in black color, so your details remain completely hidden. Dear students, last but important line and quick fire view what exactly I have said. Ma'am screen पूर्ण black जाऊ देते थे. What is this? Number one, I clearly mentioned over here, 20 minutes पहले आपको हाथ में पेपर आता है. In those 20 minutes, number one, you have to check all the paper, complete paper आपको check करना है, the quality of the paper and everything. Number second, your seat number your seat number and everything, all the details have to be fill in properly on the main page of the answer sheet. Number third, the details of your holocraft, your seat number in figure, seat number in words, your signature, supervisor's signature needs to be filled in. Fourth are the details of subject and paper, which subject, which paper, and everything. Fifth is the supervisor will come, he will paste the barcode sticker and holocraft sticker. The moment barcode sticker is in your hand, you have to check in your details. And the last is the sixth point. The sixth point is number of supplements. Quickly, dear students, remember the main paper is given is your first supplement. On that you add your number of supplements. आपने 2 supplements लिए, लिख दो already one original paper which is being given plus one more paper. That is 2 plus 2 if you have taken. Remember, geography paper के लिए आपके पास रहने वाला है graph paper, आपके पास रहने वाला है map. Add it as your supplements 2. In algebra as well, you have somewhere bar graphs to be drawn, supplement होती है तो add it. Number of supplements plus the original one equal to total आती है. If you must be seeing on the main paper, front page जो है, मैम स्क्रीन पर front page लग रहा है. Front page. This page is where your exam supplement part is being given. Remember everybody, original answer book, original supplement plus the number of supplements that you take. Please remember, plus the number of supplements that you take. Over here comes the number of supplements and then the total number of papers being required. So 1 plus XYZ is equal to total papers. Why? In the examination, in the board, it is generally a practice कि अगर let's say the name is Mr. Pratik has taken these many supplements, तो उनका cross verification वहाँ पे होता है कि whether this person has taken these many supplements only. उनके पास एक record रहता है that you have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, how much ever supplements as possible. This is cross verifying. In case if you have not written it properly, please make sure you write it. That's highly important. आपकी एक भी supplement miss out नहीं होनी चाहिए. Last but not the least, your SSC board papers. Remember everybody, SSC and HSC board papers are not to be stapled. Why? Corner में यहाँ पे आपको एक punch किया रहता है. It's big hole is being created through a punching machine. Supervisors give you the thread. That thread has to be put in through supplements. No stapling of the paper. Remember everybody, paper staple नहीं करना है. I request everyone, for SSC students, your countdown has begun. Today is absolutely the right time to start preparing for this. Make sure everybody you go on for this bang on. It's now or never. Remember, 10th is your foundation. मैम स्क्रीन ब्लैंक करा परत. Remember everybody, 10th is the foundation. It serves the purpose of your life. It's a good base. Of course, marks are not everything, but at the end of the day, your preparations for an entire year, जो आपकी process है, आपके जो hard work है, आपके जो efforts है, वो रंग लाने चाहिए. And I am here for your doubts, your queries and everything, dear students. All the very best. Go for it. My good wishes are always with you. Thank you so much everyone.